The loading chunk failed error on Discord typically happens when there's an issue with Discord's client loading or downloading the necessary files. This can be caused by network issues, corrupted cache, or problems with the app itself. Here are a few steps to fix it. 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. Try switching to a different network, e.g., switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data to see if the issue persists. 2. Clear Discord cache windows. Corrupted cache files can cause issues. Try clearing them. Press Windows +R to open the Run dialog. Type %appdata% and press Enter. Find the Discord folder and delete it. Restart Discord and check if the issue is resolved. 3. Reinstall Discord. If clearing the cache doesn't work, try reinstalling Discord. Uninstall Discord via Control Panel, Windows, or Applications, Mac. Download the latest version from the official Discord website, install it, and check if the error persists. Check for Discord updates. Make sure you're using the latest version of Discord. Sometimes an update might fix the issue. Discord should update automatically, but you can check manually by restarting the app or downloading the latest version from the website. 5. Use the web version. If the issue persists and you're unable to resolve it, try using the Discord web version at discord.com while troubleshooting. 6. Check Discord's server status. Sometimes server-side issues can cause problems. You can check Discord's status page to see if there's an ongoing outage. Discord status. Try a different device. If the issue is only occurring on your current device, try logging into Discord from another device to see if it works. Let me know if any of these steps help or if the problem persists.